thunderstorm. It's just gives some crazy crap.
Stand by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Union County in eastern Tennessee, southeastern Claiborne County in eastern Tennessee, northern Granger County in eastern Tennessee, western Hawkins County in eastern Tennessee, Hancock County in eastern Tennessee until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Maynardville and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rogersville, Maynardville, Smeadville, Rutledge, New Tazewell, Bean Station, Tazewell, Kyles Ford, Evanston, Springdale, McLeod, Howard Quarter, Thornhill, Treadway, Lone Mountain, St. Clair, Klondike, Rose Hill, Morrisburg, and Sandwick. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive in areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Monday evening for southwestern Virginia and East Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Claiborne County, Tennessee. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clay and northeastern Bell counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area.
And it's
A severe thunderstorm.
first station's moving, the wind's blowing. Not Cornell foot yet.
Southern Leslie counties until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Cornell foot's not in your nowhere near yet.
miles per hour.
Nope.
60 miles per hour wind gust. Source radar indicated impact. Expect
Two cameras still, man, in case that we see anything that should. Oh no, dude, it's just like a crazy, well, Grace, I mean, I was cracking a storm, but I don't know, I'm not really sure yet, it could see some lightning in this. I mean, this is some serious, stuff that we're seeing right now. Well, what do you think that it's gonna do? No, okay. Let's. Oh, we got Cornell, man.
7 miles northwest of Smeadville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Smeadville, Jonesville, Tazewell, Pennington Gap, Harrogate, Dryden, Kyles Ford, Evanston, Powell River Preserve, Pattonsville, Ewing, Cumberland Gap, and Rose Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Claiborne County, Tennessee, and Lee County, Virginia.
Oh my God.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for Claiborne, northeastern Campbell, northwestern Hancock, and southwestern Lee counties.
Dude, I'm hearing like a weird moving. Dang it, dude, I don't know what the frick was, man. God. Pouring the rain, dude. I mean, this is amazing, dude. Pouring the rain, that's not a good sign, dude. Well, it's nowhere nearby. No, we need to watch on the EAS video if we get one. Oh no. Grace, good camera, Celtic. Alright, crowd. Oh, dude, The National Weather Service radar is down. I think something just... Oh no. I don't know. Don't ask me, I don't know. Okay, it looks like it's passing now. The problem is, we're not under the Cornell threat yet. Good, Chris, you don't want to see no tornado. That's something we don't want to see. We don't want to see no tornado. We don't want no tornado. We do not want... Hey, I'm kidding. It's pretty warm out here. Temperature, kick us on kite. The temperature was about 47, so it's like it drops. You think Crown West going to stop? No, I don't think Crown West going to stop. I think it's going to keep on going. Dude, look at that. That's in the West Virginia side. The rain is finally clearing. It's finally clearing out now. It's supposed to come from Kansas City side or something. That's what it's starting to look like. I mean, it looks like it would. I don't know. Alright, man, if it starts hailing out when we get to that severe storm threat, I want you to go and get it because I don't want me busted all places. Got you. I got you. Okay, let's go and see if some battery's good. And make sure, guys, skill. They got some good battery life before we make the next video when we get our warming effects. Okay.